Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am doing an unboxing video for you all. I was sent a watch by Daniel Wellington a couple of weeks ago and I thought I would take this opportunity to unbox it in front of the camera so you guys can see my reaction, what the watch looks like. And yeah, if you don't know who Daniel Wellington are, just follow them on Instagram, go on their Facebook, go on their website. They are an amazing watch company. They have the most amazing, beautiful watches. Like, seriously, go check them out yourself. But they sent me one from their newest collection and I chose one called Bayswater. I think that's how you pronounce it. And this is the package right here. So if you're interested in seeing what this watch looks like, what you get inside the package, what the packaging looks like, etc, etc, and what it looks like on my tiny petite wrist, because let's be honest, these babies are so tiny. I hardly ever can actually find a watch that fits my wrist, just because, like, look at this, look how tiny that is. It's just, yeah, it's a mission to do that. So hopefully this watch fits this wrist, otherwise it won't fit my wrist. I'm gonna unbox this now and just get straight into the video because I hate when people just, you know, ramble, and I'm doing that right now. The first thing that this watch has in the packaging is just this little black slip. And it's gone. The black slip did say Daniel Wellington on it, but then inside of that black slip is a nicer box, which looks like this. I just love when watches actually come with boxes, like compared to like the cheap things that you get from Kmart that come in those plastic things, and then it's just like, well, where do I store my watch when it's not on my wrist? Because I'm not putting it on that plastic thing and it just looks really tacky, whereas this actually looks really nice. So that's a good thing about this watch already. And can you see that? I've like lifted the lid a bit and it has like gold lining. Oh my gosh. I think I'm actually gonna really like this watch. How beautiful is that? Okay, let's take it out and see what it looks like on. Okay, so it has like a little, ooh. Okay, oh, it has stuff inside there actually. I'll get to that later. But the watch has like a little cushion seat that you put on in there. We'll put that down. And this is the watch. That is really nice actually. I was a bit like iffy about the gold. I think I got this in a rose gold and I got it in the 40 mils, whatever, 40 mil, that's the watch face. So it's a bit of a bigger one. Like I probably should have gone for a smaller one if I was worried about the fact that it might not fit on my wrist. But I was like, you know what? I'm gonna jump into the deep end and go straight for the biggest one just because I have faith in this brand. Let's put it on my wrist. Actually, let's take off this plastic protective covering. Oh, like, does anyone else just get excited when they take the plastic covering off of things like this? It looks exactly the same, just in case you're worrying. I'm gonna put it on my wrist now, and fingers, toes, and ovaries crossed that it fits, which I think it does. I feel like we're definitely in luck. Hallelujah, we have a watch that fits my tiny wrist. Can you see that? Like, this is a big watch and this is a tiny wrist and it works together. Like, look at that. It actually fits. I'm actually so pretty excited right now. I might need to take this tag off because I feel like that might be a bit off if I'm like walking the streets and people are like, dude, you've got your tag on your watch. It's like when you've got your tag on your pants or your jacket or whatever. It's literally the equivalent of that. I think this is also the wrong time. Yes, it definitely is. I'm gonna get the real time and like put the real time on my watch so then I can know what the time is, because otherwise what's the point of having a watch if I'm just like, yeah, it's 6:45 every single time people are like, what's the time? And I'm like, it's 6:45. All right, let's see how easy it is to pop that out. It was super simple just then. I don't know how to do this and show you guys. Like, wait, if I go side on like this, okay, I'm like trying to contort my wrist in ways that they don't go. Okay, like this is very difficult. Oh, I think I may like pull a muscle by doing what I'm doing right now. Is this even on camera? Yes, okay. It's very simply moving, it's just very easy to move it. What I'd say it was 2:42. It's probably 2:43. Let's just make it 2:45 so then I'm ahead of time. Trying to not be late. All right. So yeah, that is the correct time. So if you're like, what time is it right now? That's the time. That's what time it is. Okay. Okay, so there was something else inside the packaging that I noticed before. Let's take a look at that. Like, it's underneath where the cushion was. Ooh! It's like when you get a brand new iPhone and it's like, here are all the instructions and like, you know that little pin thing that you have to use to get the battery out, or the SIM card out? The SIM card. Okay. So what have we got? Whew. Wow, I have an iPhone thing. What is this? No. Okay, it's not an iPhone thing. It's, oh, someone's calling. Melbourne, Victoria, calm your stuff. Okay, stop. Shh, calm yourself. Okay, so this I'm assuming is something to go into the watch when you're like replacing the battery. I probably won't be doing that myself. I'll be going to like a watchmaster or whatever they're called and getting them to do it. But I'll keep this just in case. And look how cute it is. It even says Daniel Wellington on that. Stop focusing on my face. Focus on this. There we go. Are we focusing? We focused. Okay, so inside of that we have that, and then we also have, oh my gosh, there's more stuff in here. Oh, we don't have anything exciting. It's like that, you know, that packaging stuff to stop things from getting like moist, just, yeah, wet. Okay, we got an owner's guide inside, so that's really cool. Is there anything in here that I'll like, oh, look how cute the first page is. It's like a little tiny book. That's like adorable. Look at that. Oh, it's got an Our Story, Engage With Us. This is so cute. This is like a tiny like actual book. How to set the time. Did that. Water resistancy. If your watch is not marked usually on the back of the case with either the words water resistant or a degree of water resistance, then it is not real water resistant. Is this one water resistant? Let's check. Oh, water resistant. This one is water resistant. Sweet. So I am pretty stoked with being sent this, not going to lie. Shout out to my man DW for sending me this watch because it is amazing. And Daniel Wellington have actually given me a code which will save you guys 15% off of your purchase, and the code is RIS15. This is not a sponsored video. I do not get payment at all if you use that code. It is purely a code that will save you guys money, so that's pretty exciting. Yeah, I don't know what else to say about this watch other than I actually really do love it. I was a bit iffy when I chose the blue one. I could have chosen like a pinky maroon color one, which is more obviously colors that I wear, but I really wanted to get out of my comfort zone, and I'm super duper glad that I did because I actually really love this blue. And there's like a, what do you call it, a pantsuit kind of jumpsuit outfit that I've got that's in this exact same color that I've never worn yet, and hello, this is going to be definitely the perfect accessory. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Let me know down below in the comments if you liked the watch or what your thoughts are on this watch, and until next time guys, goodbye. Also, let's just have a little bit of hair appreciation right here. I did my hair like with the intention of curling it and having it out, but I completely stuffed up those curls. So I just chucked it up in like an inside out ponytail and, you know, rope braided my fringe, and I haven't actually seen the back of it, but I'm looking in my viewfinder and hello, I actually did not fail. Like my failed hairstyle of like the curls turned into a pretty okay like final product. Yeah, let's just appreciate that. Do not ask for a tutorial because I have no idea what I'm doing when it comes to my hair. Like literally have 0% idea of anything. I am the girl that goes to work and wears a ponytail every single day. Like I'll either have my hair pulled back like in a, you know, up the top kind of pony, or I'll have like a side part in a pony. That is the extent of my hairstyles. So this for me is like a massive achievement. Let's appreciate that.